HLOOKUP is the horizontal version of VLOOKUP. Both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP have similar syntax and work in the same manner. When lookup values are arranged vertically, we use VLOOKUP, and when it is arranged horizontally, we use HLOOKUP. Applications where one can get to check their result by entering roll number can be made using HLOOKUP. For example, this is a database of employees. Let us try populating this visiting card template using HLOOKUP. First, create a placeholder for entering employee code. Now, call the HLOOKUP function in the name field and select the lookup value, which in this case would be employee ID filled in the above placeholder. Next, select the table which contains the employee data. Now, enter the count of row which contains employee name. Finally, type 0 for exact match. This will fetch the employee name in the template. Repeat the same process using HLOOKUP function to fetch other details such as designation, location, mobile number, and email ID. The visiting card is ready. Enter any other employee code to cross-check if it is working. That's it.